Hi everyone. Okay, we're going to continue working in our math packet, and we're actually going to go to page 45. And page 45 looks like this. And we're going to keep practicing with more telling time to the 5 minutes. Okay, so number 1 is 4:55. So it's not quite 5 o'clock yet. So our hour hand is going to point almost to the 5. And our minute hand is going to point to the 11 because that's 55. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The next one is 6:35. Okay, so I know that my hour hand is definitely going to be in between the 6 and the 7. And then my hour hand, or my minute hand, excuse me, is going to go all the way to the 7 because that's 35. And I can double check it by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, the next one is 10:20. Okay, so I know that it's pretty close to 10 o'clock. It's not even half past yet. So I'm going to draw my hour hand pretty close to the 10. And then I'm going to count by 5s to find out where the minute hand goes. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to put my minute hand all the way over here to the 4. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is 3:25. Well, I know that 3:30 is half past. So 3:25 is pretty close. So I'm going to draw my hour hand halfway between the 3 and the 4. And then I'm going to draw my minute hand at the 5 because that's 25 minutes past the hour. Okay, now let's do 2:35. So I know that 2:30 is half past the hour. So I know that my hour hand is going to be between the 2 and the 3. And 35 is going to be at the 7, because if 30 is at 6, 5 more is 35. So my minute hand is going to be pointing to the 7. Okay, next is 11:10. Well, that's super close to 11 o'clock. So my hour hand is going to point right at the 11. My minute hand is going to point to the 2 because that's 10 minutes after 11 o'clock. 5, 10, okay? So we're going to draw our minute hand to the 2. Okay, let's go down to number 7. And number 7 says 1:05. That is so close to 1 o'clock. So I'm going to definitely draw my hour hand pointing at the 1. Now, 05, wait a second, that's only 5 minutes. That's pointing at the 1 as well. So I'm going to draw another hand pointing right at the 1. So that's 1:05. Now we have 12:40. Well, I know that that's more than half past the hour. So I know that I'm going to draw my hour hand between the 12 and the 1. And then I know that the 6 is 30 minutes past. So I'm going to go 35, 40. So 1:40 is the minute hand points to the 8. All right, let's take a look at page 46. You're going to be doing page 46 on your own, but I'm going to give you the directions first. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw the hands on the clock for the time that's in words. Then you're going to write the digital time in the box. Let's do the first one together. The first one says 3:30. So I'm going to draw my hour hand in between the 3 and the 4 because it's half past 3. Then I'm going to draw my minute hand down to the 6 because that is 30 minutes past the hour. Then I'm going to write the digital time 3 and then my colon 30. Okay, So that's what you're going to do on the rest of page 46. Now, let's go on and let's go to page 49. What page number? 49. All right, this time they want you to write the number of actual minutes. Okay, so this is to the exact time. So let's do a few of these together, and then I'm going to let you work on your own. The hour hand is just past the 1, so I know it's not 2 o'clock yet. So I'm going to write a 1 for my hour. Now I need to do the minutes. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. It's not yet at 25, so now let's count these little ones. 20, 21, 22, 23. It looks like it's pointing to 23. So I'm going to write the time as 1:23. Okay, let's try the next one. Oh, this one's pretty easy because my hour hand is pointing at the 8. So I know that the hour is 8. Now let's figure out the minutes. I start off counting by 5s. 5. Then I count the little ones in between. 6, 7. It's 8:07. So I'm going to write 8:07. All right, we're going to do number 3 together. Here's number 3. The hour hand is in between the 11 and the 12. So I know that it's still 11. So I'm going to write 11. Now I'm going to count by 5s to figure out the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, I'm not yet to 40. Let's count these little ones. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. It's at 11:39. All right, boys and girls, you are going to finish the rest of page 49 and you're going to do page 50. So you have 3 pages to do on your own. You have page 46 to do on your own, page 49, and page 50. Okay, let's write that down or circle them. You have page 46, 49, and 50 to do on your own. Remember to post your photos of all your work to Seesaw. I'll see you soon. Bye.